I've got a brand new 911, it locks without the key. I've got a brand new 911, my GTS and me. 180,000 all from selling my old V. Oh, I've got a brand new 911, Bolton wouldn't sell it to me. It's a hybrid with rear axle steering, sport chrono package, and I got a free keyring for free. I've got a brand new 911, it's got automatic sport seats. I've got a brand new 911, matrix headlights and both speaks. It's got a sports exhaust system and carbon fiber mirrors. Oh, I've got a brand new 911 and Perf sold it to me. Lifting system front axle and suspension management. It's even got a spoiler, which I know your car won't have on me. I've got a brand new 911, 541 horsepower, yippee! I've got a brand new 911 and it makes me very happy. It fits my border collies into the two back seats. Oh, I've got a brand new 911, thanks haters for buying